First, place the corner frame on the left and the slide frame on the right on the ground. With your right hand, grab the slide frame, and with your left hand, grab the corner frame and fit them together. Be careful not to pinch your left hand by holding this part of the frame away from the joint. Once you have fitted the 4 frames together, place them on the ground like this. Connect the corner and slide units at each corner. Make sure that the holes in the diagonal support bars are facing down. Insert the 4 diagonal bars into the brackets on all 4 corners. Next, spread out the cloud mat, ensuring the slim bracket shaped open and faces down. Connect the cloud mat to the main frame at 8 sections, latching the groove of the slim brackets into the slots on the edge of the frame. It is important to remember to pull the cloud mat tightly so that it does not come undone. Let me offer you a tip here. Placing the 4 main assembled legs at each corner enhances workflow and saves pitching time. While lifting the main frame, insert the 4 main legs into the holes at the corners, matching the shape of the hole with the end caps and turning the main legs 90 degrees to lock them in place. It's essential to check that the duck foot-shaped tabs on the bottom of the legs face the center of the frame. This tool is a tension key driver that comes with the THEDOOKAN tent. Use the driver to adjust the tension of the cloud mat to your comfort cushion level. When you insert the tension key driver on the tension bar holes and apply pressure by turning it up, it forces the frames to widen the gap, making the cloud mat tighten. Start by turning up the driver 8 to 10 times when setting up the tent for the very first time. You can turn the driver up to 14 times for subsequent setups. Remove the tension key driver once you have adjusted the cloud mat's tautness to your liking. Tap the 4 corner caps into place. These corner caps have holes for the tent poles. This plastic cover is for the tension bar for cosmetic purposes. It's the cover of the tension bar cover. First, place the stringed ratchet to help secure the main legs underneath the cloud mat. Then, place the long diagonal support bars, 2 per leg, in the 4 corners. The blackened end of the diagonal bar must be connected to the frame, and the bottom must be attached to the duck foot-shaped tabs. Pulling the tab back slightly to release tension, and then pushing the diagonal bar back in will ease the process. Secure the ratchet string that will hold the 4 main legs in place. Slide the cord over the hooks on all 4 tabs. Pull on any excess cord by hand before tightening the ratchet to remove it. Then, use the ratchet to pull evenly on all 4 sides until the legs are taut. Finally, check to make sure that all 4 sides are tight.